Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make this snowflake ornament. I use 3.5 millimeters hook, 3.5 millimeters yarn. Make a slip knot, insert your hook under this yarn, pull up yarn, make a slip knot. And chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert your hook into first chain. We have 2 yarns on hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together. Make a ring. Stitch first round in this ring. Make 1, 2, 3 chains. Add 1 more chain, yarn over, go to this ring, insert your hook, pull up yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, make double crochet, add 1 chain, yarn over, go to this ring, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns, pull through 2 yarns, add 1 chain, yarn over, pull up yarn, pull through, add 1 chain, repeat, pull up yarn, pull through, add 1 chain. We make 1, 2, 3, 4, high tail up yarn under stitch, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 double crochet. We make 11 double crochet with first chains. We have 12 stitches in total. After double crochet, stitch continue like this. Insert your hook into first stitch, pull up yarn. Now we have 2 yarns on hook, pull through 2 yarns together and complete first round. In here, continue like this. Insert your hook into this hole in same stitch. And before chains, insert your hook, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, make 1 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, make single crochet. I show, repeat, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, pull through, single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains, pull up yarn, pull through, single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains, pull up yarn, pull through, single crochet, and repeat for this round. I show in last stitch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chains, go to this stitch, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns, single crochet. I show we made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 7 8 9 10 11 stitches. In last stitch in here, continue like this. Make 1 2 3 chains, make 3 chains in here, make 3 chains, yarn over 1 twice, go to this stitch. In first stitch in this hole, insert your hook, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, pull through 2 yarns together, pull through 2 yarns together. Now we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 of these stitches. After this stitch in third row, continue like this. Go to this stitch, insert your hook into this stitch, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns, make 1 single crochet, add 1 2 chains, yarn over, go to next chains, pull up yarn. We have 3 yarns, unhook, pull through 2 yarns, pull through 2 yarns, 1 double crochet, go to same stitch, 2 double crochet. After 2 double crochet in here, make 1 2 3 4 chains, insert your hook between these double crochet stitches, pull up yarn, slip stitch, yarn over 1 twice, go to same stitch, insert your hook, pull up yarn. We have 4 yarns on hook, pull through 2 yarns together, pull through 2 yarns together, pull through 2 yarns together, make treble crochet, add 1 2 3 4 5 6 chains, go to between these stitches, insert your hook before treble stitch, pull up yarn, slip stitch, yarn over 1 twice, go to same stitch, pull up yarn, pull through, pull through, pull through, add 1 2 3 4 chains, insert your hook before this stitch, pull up yarn, slip stitch. We make 2 double crochet, make a picot, treble crochet, make a picot, treble crochet, make a picot, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, add 2 chains, go to next chains, make single crochet, add 1 2 chains, yarn over, go to next chains, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 2 3 4 chains, slip stitch, yarn over twice, make a stitch, 1 2 3 4 5 6, go to this stitch, pull up yarn, pull through, yarn over twice, pull up yarn, pull through, pull through, pull through, 1 2 3 4 chains, a slip stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 2 chains, go to next chains, single crochet, 1 2 chains, and repeat like these stitches. I made this stitch I show in last stitch. Make 2 chains, yarn over, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 4 chains, a slip stitch, yarn over twice, pull through, pull through, pull through, treble stitch, 1 2 3 4 5 6, a slip stitch, yarn over twice, pull through, pull through, pull through, 1 2 3 4 chains, a slip stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, add 2 chains. In first stitch we make 1 single crochet, go to this single crochet, pull up yarn, a slip stitch,